Hey folks, this is probably day one of about 4 days of really, really hot temperatures across the valley. That's prompted a heat advisory for Hidalgo County, Willacy County, and Cameron County. Until 7 o'clock tonight, temperatures are in the upper 90s and low 100s, but it feels like 110 to 115. Here's a look at where we are right now. 100 in Weslaco, Edinburgh's 101, 110 in Rio Grande City. Everybody else in the 90s. McAllen's 99, Harlingen and Rainville 97, even Port Isabel at 92. Here's what it feels like when you add the humidity in. It feels like 111 in Harlingen, feels like 118 in Starr County. Brownsville feels like 110. Humidity a lot higher in coastal counties today. So with that, it feels hotter, even though the temperature's a little bit cooler. Cooler being a relative term. Overnight tonight, readings should bottom out in the upper 70s and low 80s. Could be an isolated thunderstorm. We'll talk about that in a second. And then tomorrow, look at these numbers. With the exception of the immediate coast, South Padre Island and maybe Port Isabel, everybody should top out at 100 degrees or warmer, an average of about 103 with light south to southeasterly winds tomorrow. The next 3 days are going to be well above average with readings topping out above 100, probably records each of the next 3 days as well. Doppler network over the valley is quiet right now. You notice those counties just to our north shaded in yellow. They are under a severe thunderstorm watch just to the north of the valley, including Kennedy County, Brooks County, and then northward from there. So Falfurrias, Alice, over to our Corpus Christi, all under that severe thunderstorm watch until 10 o'clock tonight. There are showers and a couple of thunder showers embedded within this right now to the northwest of Corpus Christi. We're also tracking some stuff over in the mountains to the west. Future track suggests that by the time most of that stuff gets here, it fades away, hence no watch for us, but we're really close. So we really have to watch just to see if anything can hold together and move in. We've got a very slight chance of something coming in late tonight and then moving on out after that. That leaves us with probably mostly sunny skies tomorrow. A couple of models indicating maybe a sea breeze tries to activate tomorrow, but it's going to be so hot. The atmosphere is going to be really dry. It's going to be tough for that to happen. So we're dry, dry, dry Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Hot and dry. Again, over South Texas, you notice the stuff firing up just the last couple of hours, just to the northwest of Corpus Christi, stuff over in the mountains, all keeping a close eye on that stuff. Also up in North Texas and eastward from there, showers and storms. Here's what happens. This front in the middle of Texas moves southward and then stalls to the north of the valley, and so we just stay hot and dry. There's a big upper level ridge going to move right in on top of us, and with that, we just get hot and stay hot all the way into the early part of next week. Models do push a front down into South Texas by late Monday into Tuesday and Wednesday. And with that, the chance for a shower thunderstorm returns, and we get rid of those temperatures well above 100 degrees by the time we get to probably Tuesday and Wednesday. You'll see that in the 7-day in just a moment. Across Texas tomorrow, taking off early for the weekend. San Antonio starts with sunshine, 77. Houston, 79 in the morning, 70 in Dallas by afternoon. The southern half of the state's in the 90s. Dallas a little cooler. Look at Brownsville, 101 tomorrow afternoon. The whole valley is going to be hot. So your first 1 to 5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, partly cloudy. A spotty thunderstorm is possible. Chances are less than 20%. And then tomorrow, hot and humid. It's going to feel like it's between 107 and 113, even though the actual temperature average is about 103 tomorrow afternoon. We go 103s and a 104 on Sunday. We step it back down on Monday. By Tuesday, Wednesday, introduce a chance for a shower or thunder shower. And with that, temperatures a little closer to normal by the end of the forecast period. Find a way to stay cool. The next few days are going to be very, very warm. That's your updated First 1 to 5 forecast.